So we're here in Gaza with one of my friends here. He's a soldier named Haral in the special forces at the drones, and he's going to show us how he looks through the drones at the people here in Gaza.
I'm gonna take zoom in and I'm gonna show you. This is one of the school that the people here as civilians, and what we would like to do is to find the Hamas terrorist.
So this is live.
Yes, there are the civilians. Here they play soccer. I found a terrorist that goes from the school and take boxes for one of their tunnel from this hole. I'm gonna show you. This is one of the house of a terrorist, right? Here we have a tunnel inside of the house.
So we can see that the only house destroyed here is the house of the terrorists.
And look, we don't hurt other houses.
So you're specifically targeting Hamas. Explain to me, in situations where there are civilians next to Hamas terrorists, what do you do?
This is a problem. Even we see a terrorist with the civilians, we don't shoot on civilians that are innocent. Yesterday he called from for 4 childrens, and we see one of Hamas terrorists that we wanna go down him, and we don't shoot. We just don't shoot. Hamas control this building. Everything goes to the tunnels, and like they play with us.
So they're using the kids,
Yes,
to protect themselves
And we
because
are-
they know that you can't attack.
it's a problem.
So Hamas puts you in an impossible situation.
Yes.
You're fighting them in
You can
war.
see.
So what's your message for the world that says that we're carpet bombing and we're attacking civilians and that we're
Here you-
committing
you can
genocide?
Here you can see the truth in front of your eyes. Like, look at the civilians. They have cars. Get some food. You see the woman. Somebody sells something, maybe bagels.
So what we can see is that we're in a sad reality of war, where unfortunately the consequences of war is people dying. It's not what any of us want to see, but when we're thrown into a war where the enemy is trying to kill as many Israelis, as many Jews as they want, and they say so outwardly, we have no other choice but to defend ourselves. And this is what war looks like. This is why we need to do everything we can to prevent war from happening again.